Okay, good morning. Hi from Nagarkot, Nepal. We're just about 20 kilometers outside of Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal. We're at an elevation of around 2,000 meters. We want to share this absolutely incredible garden where we've been staying. There's some truly amazing plants here. A couple of really standouts for me is the rattlesnake orchid. We'll be showing you that. There's dahlias, gerbras, camellias, zinnias. There are so many beautiful potted plants here, it's amazing. This one I'm sitting under is called the scarlet clock vine. It's an incredible one too, native to the Himalayan region. It's absolutely amazing. What's been exciting to see this morning, it was foggy and misty rain, etc. I've just witnessed one of the ground staff here in the hotel go around and bang the beehives with his straw broom. So giving them a bit of a wake-up call and making sure that they get out and get to work. So there's around 10 beehives here in the garden. We'll show you those, a couple of them. But it's absolutely incredible. Lots of bamboo, huge monstera. Yesterday we've seen the world's biggest choco vine. So it's an amazing collection of plants. Apparently it was a apple orchard before it was turned into a hotel and private garden. And it's based on a traditional fort. So we'll show you the footings of the fort, and it's absolutely incredible. So do come and visit if you check it out. Definitely one of the most interesting gardens in the world, I would say, at this elevation, and it's truly amazing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like. Thank you, Chef Steele. Happy gardening.